Hello guys, welcome to this channel Electro Experiments. In this video, we're gonna make a calculator which you have ever seen in any YouTube video. This is the only video in which you can make a calculator like this. It is not only a simple calculator, you can do square roots, cube roots, and it can also find simple interest and also compound interest. Not only that, there are specific game like the number guessing game. You can play it when you're bored, and we also have a normal calculator which we can add, divide, or subtract. We can do anything with this calculator. Let's start this project. Make every project successful, there will be some components to make the project. So in our project also we have some components which we'll be using to make this project. The first component is Arduino nano board. Arduino nano board is the main component for this, and it's the motherboard which will control all the sensors and everything which we use in this project. And this is a breadboard which will mount the Arduino Nano on it to connect all the sensors easily. And this is a 16 into 2 LCD display which we use to display all the characters or anything which we type in the 4 into 4 matrix display. This is the 4 into 4 matrix display which we will be using to type any equation or anything. This is the joystick module which we will use for navigation in the main menu. Last but not the least, we need some jumper wires. We need about 10 male to female jumper wires. If you want to buy the components which I showed just now, you can use the links in the description to buy. On all the components that we need to make the project. Now let's see the circuit, and you can see the circuit diagram on the screen, and I'll also provide the circuit image in the description. You can go down and check there. Now let's connect the circuits. You can see that we completed the circuit. Now let's upload the code. So guys, we have completed the circuit. Now we have to upload the code. Now go to your Arduino IDE software. You have to download these three libraries: wire and liquid crystal dash I2C and keypad. So to download these libraries, you have to click on tools and go to manage libraries, or you can right click Ctrl Shift and I to open. It will take some time to open, so please wait. Now the library manager is open. It will take some time to download on the library index. Please wait. When the blue bar hits the other side, then it means the download index is complete. Then you can search all the libraries which are here and you can download them. I already downloaded them before, so I don't have to download it now. If you did not download them, so you can download it. After you have successfully downloaded all the libraries, now you can upload the code. Before uploading, you have to go to the tools again. You have to select the board, the processor, and the port. So we have to select the board in Arduino AVR boards and go and select Nano, Arduino Nano, and again open the tools. Wait for some time until this loads. Okay, now you go and select the port. I connected the Nano to the COM4 port, so selecting the COM4 and to load. Again select the tools and processor AT Mega 382P. How to select that? Next, I have just click the upload button and to upload all the code to the Arduino. successfully uploaded the code and it's working, but it's looking not nice now, it's looking messy. So I'll arrange it in a box and we'll see. Now we have completed the project. Now let's see how this works. So if you move the joystick down, you can choose the menu, any one you can choose. So for example, let's take squares. You have to click the star button. You click on the star, the squares will select it, and you have to enter any number. If you want to calculate square root or the square of the number, you can just type the number. I want to calculate the square of 64. So you can see I entered the 64 and came 64 here, and I have to press this button. This is the is equals to button. When I press it, it will show the square root and the square of the number. Square root is 8, the square of it is 4096. So same will apply for the cubes, and for the simple interest we have to select, we have to click the start, and click the start. It will ask us to enter the amount. So we need to enter the amount. For example, we will take 5000. We will take 5000 as the amount. You can see here, and we will click is equals to, and it will ask how many years. You can also type like months also, years or month, and I will take for example 5 years. I will click is equals to, and it will ask the rate of interest. So for example, we will take 6% of interest and click is equals to, it will calculate the simple interest. You can see it shows 1500. It will work same for the compound interest also. Now let's see the game. So you have to press the start button to on the game. So it is the number guessing game. The computer will choose, or the Arduino nano will choose a number. You have to guess it. So if we take 50, for example, for first, it is equals to, it's just too high, means the number is below the 50. Now we'll see 20, 28. Oh, sorry, I accidentally pressed 0 instead of is equals to. We'll take 28, and 28 is too low, means it's between 28 and 50. I will take 35. 35 is also low. Let's take 40. 45 is also low. We'll take 45. 45 is also low, means so 45 to 50 middle. Let's do 48. 48 is too high. 47 is also high. The answer is mostly 46. Yes, you can see the correct answer is 46. The answer will be random. It will not come the same thing every time. Now let's say how to use the calculator option. So go to the calculator and press the start, and we can only do the 2-digit calculations. The first number you have to enter, for example 58, and I have to click is equals to, see A for addition, B for subtraction, C for multiplication, D for division. I will select any one. So I want to multiply. So 58 multiplied by the number B, that's the second number. And I can take 58. So let's press equals to. So the answer will come. So you can see its calculator. Its calculator will work like this. I use the wire and attach it to the computer. You can also use the batteries as shown in the circuit diagram. Thank you for seeing my video. I hope you like it. I want you to please like and subscribe to motivate me and support me. Thank you for supporting me.